Vodafone 5G is helping the New Zealand police get a better view and make the streets safer for everyone. And these kids are going to show us how. Using real-time 5G video, officers can view a scene in ultra-high definition from their smartphones and use infrared or thermal imaging for a better view to help them find what they're looking for. 5G connectivity means the drone can be flown with micro-precision and the 4K live feed shared with officers on the ground and at the control centre. Officers can see where their colleagues are in real time, helping them coordinate to survey a scene, control a crowd, all with minimum noise and disruption to the public. It's not limited by battery life either. Drones can be tethered to a patrol car for power, then used to give instant 4G or 5G coverage in remote areas to help search and rescue operations. They can also enable 3D imaging of a crash scene, helping to reduce road closure time during investigations. Developed by Vodafone in partnership with Smudge and the police, the new drone system powered by 5G is like having a police helicopter available on demand but at a fraction of the cost, and will help the police to make New Zealand a safer place for everyone.